What's going on YouTube? It's your boy DeVintage, man, back at it again with another video. And today we copping these Air Jordan 1 Royal Toes. We literally on a live stream right now as we speak. Let me show you guys. We got Wyatt, we got Alan, we got Joe, and we got 647 people in the building. The chat going crazy. I appreciate it.
What's good?
Say what's good, man. Everybody in the chat, say what's good.
With DeVintage, let's get it.
Live cop.
Any better?
You guys already know, man. Hey, everybody that's in the chat right now, that's in there commenting, bruh. Hey, you gonna be in the video, man. I appreciate everybody pulling up. 645 people in this mud, bruh. I appreciate it. Yeah, man. I'm in a cart right now, which is weird, right? I entered. I put my size in here. Check it out. Check it out. Got my size. I got my total. I got all that good stuff. But when I try to place the order, which is weird right here, check it out. This is what happens. And say my cart is empty. You see that right there? Right there. See, look. It say cart is empty, man. So I don't know what that is about, bruh. You guys see me trying to keep adding it. I don't know. You guys let me know if you had run into this issue. We've been telling everybody that's in this live stream right now, just keep trying, don't quit. And I don't know. I'm gonna keep trying. To place my order because you guys can see, man. I got the Air Jordan 1 Royal Toes size 9 in the cart, but it say cart is empty. It's weird, bro. I got my payment information, everything. I don't know what's going on, bro. I don't know what is going on. Foot Locker, come on, man. Help your boy out, man. Come on. Let's see what happens. And nothing. What's going on YouTube? This is your boy DeVintage, man, back with another video. And I know you guys seen the beginning half of the video. You see me on the live stream actually putting a size 9 in my cart on Foot Locker, but some stuff was going on. I don't know what happened. It's a lot of traffic and stuff with Foot Locker, so I ended up taking that L eventually, man. But I appreciate everybody that pulled up to the live stream, man. We had like 700 people in that junk. I really do appreciate you guys. Already know all the donation, all the likes. It really does not go unnoticed, and it all helps the channel grow, man. I appreciate all those support. I can thank you guys all day, and it would still not be enough, man. So like I said, if you're new to the channel right now, what you guys do is subscribe right now, ring notification bell for your boy, smash that like button to go for every video. It's 300 likes, and you guys have been killing it. Let's keep that trend going. Every recap video, you guys really do enjoy it, and you guys do know we talking about the Air Jordan 1 Royal Toes today. We talking about how these things move. We talking about the whole experience today, and if you want to share your experience down below, let me know right now in the comment section, man. And before we get into it, if you cop these joints, man, drop some fiery emojis down below in the comment section so I can know who all took that big W today, man. So with all that being said, let's jump right into this video talking about these Air Jordan 1 Royal Toe release day, man. Let's get it. All right, so before we get into these Royal Toes, you guys already know, man, if you was in the live stream, you see your boy DeVintage cop a pair of the Yeezy 350 V2 Sulfurs. As you guys seen, I copped a pair on my laptop, and I could have easily got another pair on my PC. It was very easy for me to get through on these Sulfur joints. I'm not sure if they bricks. I'm not sure if they're gonna do good on resale, but I'm just telling you, this is my first time ever hitting on Yeezy Supply, and as you guys been seeing in my last how to cop videos, for these Yeezys, I've never hit on Yeezy Supply, man. So maybe they heard your boys' cries and it was like, man, let's go ahead and let DeVintage get a pair. So like I said, I got an easy pair on Yeezy Supply, and I still could got another pair. You guys let me know right now down below if you hit on a pair of these Yeezy 350 V2 Sulfur joints, if you like them, if you don't. I know a lot of people have some mixed emotions about these shoes. So like I said, let me know down below in the comment section, man. You will see that review and on feed sometime Wednesday or Thursday, depending on how fast FedEx ships these shoes. So you guys stay tuned for that and have the notification bell on so you do not miss the visuals over those Yeezy 350 V2 Sulfur joints. But for these Air Jordan 1 Royal Toes, man, like I told you guys in my how to cop video, you gotta watch them, man. That's where I pretty much tell you it's gonna be a hard cop, it's gonna be an easy cop, and I told you guys in the how to cop video these will be the hardest Air Jordan 1s to get, and these probably are the best Air Jordan 1s to release so far in 2020, man. I know we got a lot of Air Jordan 1s coming out. It's a lot of dope colorways, which we'll touch up on that in a video coming very soon near you. But these right here, hands down, my favorite Air Jordan 1 to release this year. I know we see the mochas and stuff like that, the tie-dye ones, which are kind of fire, bro. I think those are gonna be hard to cop too. But I think right here, man, that OG Royal colorway, the Royal Toe, are going to be solidified as my #1 Air Jordan 1 pickup of 2020. So yeah, man, 170 bucks today. A lot of L's on the sneakers app. My boy Top tried to get a pair. A whole bunch of people on the chat, if you was there, you seen try to cop multiple pairs of these joints. We seen some people wanted to get them for the resale purposes after they got their personal pair, because the resale on these joints is steadily climbing, man. We might see a little dip in the resale prices after everybody get their pairs. But as of right now, these junks is going for over $300, man. And like I was telling you guys at the beginning of the video, I carded a pair size 9 like 2 hours after the release. I went through, I put in my card information on that good stuff, but it was going so slow that I couldn't finish the checkout, man. You only get like 5 minutes to check out, and it was taking that whole 5 minutes just to get to the place your order, man. But I kept pressing place your order, I kept pressing it, and then I waited about another 10 minutes and I refreshed it again, try to place an order, and them jumps was out of my cart, man. So that was an L on Foot Locker, but your boy did secure his size 9 already early via the exclusive access on the Nike Sneakers app. And I was hearing that some stores here in San Antonio are open. I don't think a lot of people know that, man. A lot of people don't even feel safe with leaving the house, which I do understand. So maybe I do go there, try to cop a couple pairs, try to make a little money, man. It doesn't hurt anybody, you know what I'm saying, resell sneakers and stuff like that. It's a high demand for them. So if you are able to go get a pair and place it on, say, StockX or Go, or sell it somewhere that you know, you can definitely make a few bucks off of these Air Jordan 1 Royal Toes. I know my boy Tops took an L on sneakers, took an L on Foot Locker and all that good stuff. But my boy Allen, man, Keep Pushing Kicks came through clutch for Tops. He got his size 13. So shouts out to Allen, aka Keep Pushing Kicks, man. We all up there trying to help each other grow. We all up there trying to help each other grow their content as well. Hey, so shouts out to everybody that joins the live stream. You guys let me know right now in the comment section below if you hit on a pair of these Air Jordan 1 Royal Toes. Like I said at the beginning, man, drop some fire emojis down below if you did hit on these joints, because I'm very interested in knowing. Let me know if it was a hard cop, it was easy cop. But as we've seen today, these junks sold out extremely fast, man. It was crazy. It was super hard to get this shoe. Maybe one of the hardest sneakers that we have tried to get this year on the live stream, man. So like I said, you got to tune into live streams. Check out some of the tips and tricks we try to show you guys. And we even have people in the chat that was taking L's. We gave them a couple of tips and it was able to secure a pair of these Air Jordan 1 Royal Toes, man. See, I know Foot Locker kept crashing. I know Champs kept crashing. A lot of people was getting through with snipes. A lot of people was getting through with foot action and stuff like that. But a lot of people wasn't talking about East Bay, man. So I don't know how that was going. I don't know if their sites was crashed and stuff like that. So you guys let me know where you got your pair from and let me know how difficult it was for you to even get through. If you got these shoes, man, I always tell you guys, any Air Jordan 1, it would definitely grow within a year or so. If you look at any Air Jordan 1 that has released, even the Game Royal joints are going for like $400. I posted on my IG. If you're not following me over on Instagram, man, make sure you go follow me at DeVintage World. The link to my Instagram will be in the description box below, so you can go give me a follow over there. It's just crazy, man. All Air Jordan 1s grow in value over time. So I appreciate all the support, man. Thank you guys for tuning into this recap video over the Adidas Yeezy 350 V2 Sulfurs and the Air Jordan 1 Royal Toes. Let me know down below if you copped a pair by dropping some fire emojis, and let me know where you copped these joints from, because I'm very interested in knowing. Get some conversation going with the vintage game. Subscribe if you have not subscribed already, man. Ring-notification bell for your boys so you never miss another video that drops on the channel or live stream. I will be going live tomorrow for the Last Dance documentary. I'm hearing it might be a shock drop. We might see one over the Air Jordan 4 Court Purples that's supposed to be releasing, but who knows, man. So we are gonna be going live for that Last Dance documentary, chopping it up with the vintage gang and having a good time. Like the video right now if you have not hit the like button already. The goal for every video is 300 likes, and you guys have been killing it. I really do appreciate it. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Follow me over on Instagram at DeVintage World. Like I said, it will be linked down below in the description box. And with all that being said, I'm gonna catch you guys in the next video, man. Peace.
Same little nigga from the get-go, bet your bitch go for me. I don't really need that chick though, please come get your shorty. Teed up, gassed up, sick, go with my whip, go 40. Come on, really don't miss shit though, you gon' get your shortly. Oh, that's shortly, do the work and read the end of it. Selling game and pimpin' penny shit, popping off of purely penmanship. Business shit, you not a benefit. Beneficial moves, I been a man. Shaking, moving like the mini hand. Beat the coochie like an hour long. Keep it lit, I keep the power on. Power up a Super Saiyan, Superman, saving hoes, not I. Talk top tier, top floor, top shotter. You are not top 5. To be completely 100, these people can't keep me from coming. I'm moving now. Fuck what you doing tomorrow. If you wanna do it, I say you get to it now. I see the view from the top of the podium, out of your sodium wingspan. I am the nigga they itching to see when you sitting with me, you a wingman. Everybody say they hot shit, some of y'all ain't right though. Everybody got punchlines, but some of y'all ain't right though.